Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. 'Twas the night before Christmas and... oh, wait, you've all heard that one before. In a small Alberta town where snowflakes prance, caught by the drones in their aerial dance. Past roadside gems, quaint and fair, winter's heart beats in the frosty air. As snow cloaks our Alberta town, may joy and warmth never wane or drown. Embrace loved ones, hold friends near, in this season where memories steer. Across vast landscapes, a canvas of white, the drone takes flight, a graceful sight. Through Alberta's charms, it soars and weaves, capturing beauty that winter retrieves. May laughter fill each shared embrace in this peaceful, grace-filled space. Let friendships grow like evergreen, strong, serene, a timeless scene. Roaming in cheer, the drone charts its way, o'er towns dressed in lights display. Festive touches in every sight, a Christmas tale from a drone's height. Here's to the cherished times, old and new, with dear ones close and spirits true. May this season endless joy send to you, your loved ones, and every friend. Merry Christmas from all of us at Gradient Imaging.